Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing miracle conch collection from Indian Ocean. Lord BHAIRAVA Om conch protects you from black magic and evil eye. Here you can see clear image of dog. Dog is Vagana of Lord BHAIRAVA. Clear Lord BHAIRAVA here. Two eyes, nose, mouth. Clear image of dog. Return. You can see extremely clear room. Extremely clear room. You can see extremely clear room. Unbelievable collection from the Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. See how clear it is. You can see very clear home here. Extremely very clear home. Naturally clear home and very clear image of dog here. It is for Lord BHAIRAVA. So Lord BHAIRAVA Om conch from Indian Ocean gives you complete protection from black magic and evil eye. This conch protects you from evil eyes and black magic. It's a wonderful collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And this is collection conch. Such a black shade is impossible to get again. It's a unique collection conch. See how clear the worm. You can see the worm very clear. You can see very clear worm here. And very clear image of dog. It's a Vagana of a Lord BHAIRAVA. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. He gives you full complete protection from black magic and evil eyes. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.